Okay, first I got some black tiger shrimp. This is the freshest option that they had. You don't have to get this. Use whatever shrimp that you personally like. To devein your shrimp, you're gonna need some kitchen shears. I'm gonna wash these real quick. Cut here, cut here, all the way around, and then right here will be the poop vein. You will just pick that up, take it out of the camera, because I don't like people watching me cut vegetables, because I can't cut vegetables. And slap your mama in Old Bay, but this is just a little bit because this French sea salt, I don't know, my mom got it. It's expensive, so we're gonna use it, but it's also really good. It's about better. Anything from Better Goods is really good. Alright, now that I've seasoned some of my shrimp, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna massage the seasonings in. So we get it coated everywhere. We're gonna massage it in a little bit. It's been a couple minutes. I'm gonna flip them. I'm gonna leave them on one side as much as I did, but I was like, alright, I have my 1 cup of milk and 5 cups of chicken broth in, and now and I have my grits washed completely, so now we wait till it moves. Thin, but it has been past 20 minutes, so